maybe 3 weeks. Third video because I did a shorty. You know, I don't know what to do ever. I got a new drink today. I think it's going to be good. It's my own concoction, and I like it. So I'm going to hope that you guys like it too. So get your pencils and pens ready so you can start writing down the recipes. And when you get there, start writing them down. Make it after you do it so it tastes good to you, so you can have a couple of them. This is another dessert cocktail. It's going to be called the Colorado Bullfrog Float. Jeremiah was a bullfrog. You remember Jeremiah? Jeremiah was a bullfrog. You know, Jeremiah. A couple of shout outs to give. One to Brian at the Bearded Italian. Brian, love your cooking and Man Kitchen recipes. Kevin, man, you guys do some cooking. But Kevin, you know what? You might be down there in New Mexico or Arizona, wherever you're at, but it's cold up here. And telling Karen to tell me to get out there and put on a coat and cook, we got snow on the ground, dude. Well, anyhow, my new drink, the Colorado Bullfrog Float. What's it going to be? What's it going to be like? How is it going to be? I don't know. You got to ask yourself, how's it going to be? Well, here we go. This is almost like the last one we just did. We got 1 ounce of Amaretto. Just 1 ounce of Amaretto. No more, no less. And we also got a leaky bottle that leaked. 1 ounce of Bailey's. Oh boy, this is going to be so good. I can hardly wait for you to taste it. 1 ounce of Kahlua. Oh, Kahlua. I like Kahlua. Kahlua tastes good, doesn't it, Karen Ann?
Yes, it does.
1 ounce of cream. 1 ounce of vodka. I'm sorry, 2 ounces of vodka. Two ounces of vodka. One ounce of root beer. And we're going to stir that up. Just stir it up. Whoa, splatter it all over the place because that's what I do. You put an ice cream on the top, a float of ice cream, and a cherry. And there you go. There you have it. Colorado Bullfrog. As always, keep safe out there. Remember, subscribe to Cocktail Tony and to Maui Karen Ann because we need you, okay? Cocktail Tony, over and out. Where the hell's the vodka? Whoop. And 1 ounce of vodka. Where the hell is the vodka? Whoop. Oh, here. Whoop. I got it. Why are you looking at that?
It's not mixed up at the bottom.
Well, that's because there's Kahlua on the bottom. They didn't stir it up.
Oh.
There's Kahlua. Okay? Ah! My cherry sunk. I lost my cherry. My cherry sunk. Karen wants me to stir it up. I like the Kahlua at the bottom. But Karen likes to stir it up. So, here we go. Anyhow, as